Guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a really cool MCPE app that you can install mods, anything that you want. But first, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below for this really cool MCPE store. Oh no, I don't know if I'm gonna leave a link down below, but let's just see it. But let's get into this app, guys. So first you can download maps, escape building, contents, PC maps and lands, and skins. You can download skins, Iron Man, anything you want, guys, and scripts can download here. This is the most awesome things I ever seen. Gun script, smart moving, fireworks script, anything that you want, guys. There's beta sponsorship, bomb society. There's many, guys. Luffy scripts, screaming trees, mine animator. There's many, guys. You can download scripts, seeds. You can see seeds. Then textures and the mods, and just go to help. How to apply maps, let's just do that. So yeah, guys, this is about it. This is the review of it, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.